When it comes to matters of safety, performance, and durability, there's no question that the DROMONE Multi-Lock's position at the top of its class in the universal quick coupler market is well deserved. Here's why. Safety, security, and efficiency are your top priorities. The Multi-Lock snap-on lock arm provides just that, safety in a snap. Whether you're changing attachments continuously or simply picking up your first attachment for the day, the snap-on lock arm will automatically secure the attachment front pin, ensuring that the attachment can only be removed when positioned safely and intentionally. This safety feature provides the confidence that you and your team deserve, keeping you safe on the job, day in and day out. If maximizing your excavator's digging efficiency is essential to you, and it absolutely should be, then Breakout Force is your best friend. The Multi-Lock Quick Coupler provides class-leading compact vertical and horizontal offsets, which keeps your breakout force and power transfer high, right where they belong. It should be clear by now that at DROMONE, we operate to provide you with world-class excavator safety. In order to consistently push the bar for safety higher in this regard, we work with international standards organizations to create and improve worldwide safety standards. DROMONE quick couplers meet or exceed these very standards. With the proven ability to endure in excess of 10,000 working hours, all while maintaining its composure under the heaviest of working loads, the DROMONE Multi-Lock Quick Coupler is purpose-built, with you, your job, and your team in mind. Connect with DROMONE to experience coupler safety and performance at the highest levels.